What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the AiPad. Okay guys, just went live. Alright, so if you managed to catch the pre-sale, the token price was 0.02. Currently is trading at 0.73, so that's a lot of money. Okay, that's a lot of excess, right? So but you know, I didn't join the pre-sale because you know it was you needed probably $1,000 to buy the BSC pad and all that. So I was like, man, I'm gonna wait for the launch, and when this thing launch, I'm gonna spend some $50 on this, and you know, let's see where it takes me. Okay, so yes, where is the AiPad? Okay, let's go over to so AiPad. Where is it? So AiPad is dedicated to making AI accessible and impactful for everyone. To take off this launch, we invite our community to complete the viral sweep to get on the whitelist for this incredible opportunity. We believe this will allow us to bring on board the most powerful and dedicated individuals who are ready to take the AI revolution. Okay, so more about this project. You know, in the website, if you are interested in this kind of project, come over to the website and read more about it. Okay, the reason why I'm going to bet on this token, it's because there was a lot of hype behind this project. Twitter page, they have 49.8 followers, lots of hypes. Joe Perry's followed these guys, so definitely something behind this thing. So you know, I decided to throw some money on this thing and see how it plays out. Okay, so AI definitely is going to be something big in the future. Okay, so you know, it might be a shot in the dark, but let's say if this token goes to $10, okay, if it goes to $10 from here, I'll be doing more than so I would do probably 7x or so, but it doesn't matter, right? So let's go over to Binance Smart Chain. We're going to copy the address right there, and we can buy this thing on PancakeSwap. So here's the PancakeSwap. I need to connect my wallet. Is this connected? Yeah. Okay, my wallet is connected. Oh, it was. Let me hit connect. MetaMask, and let's buy some tokens. Okay, and yeah, this time I'm going to spend $50 on this one. Why are you seeing so slow today? Come on, PancakeSwap. Let's go. Connect my MetaMask, please. Boom. That's it. Okay, so now we are going to trade a USDC. So I've got some USDC, $50 USDC for the actual token AiPad. Okay. Right guys, so let me just quickly show you how to buy this token. So you select the coin that you want to swap. Okay, so in this case I'm going to swap USDC, and then over here you click on this arrow right there, and then you have the search name or paste the address. Okay, so as you could see, I copied the address from CoinGecko. Okay, be careful with scammers up there, so it's not really listed here. Yeah, be careful with scammers. There you go. Yeah, be careful with scammers, because if you trade with scammy token, your wallet will be compromised. So you come over here and you get the wallet address from here. So 0xe55 8AA. Okay, so you come over here, 8AAF, and that's it. 0xe55. So it's the same address because I copied from the CoinGecko. Okay, and if you're not familiar, if you're not sure with the address, okay, you can go to their Telegram group where they are sharing the token address. Okay guys, be aware of scammers. So the amount that I'm going to spend is 50 USDC. Okay, so 50 USDC will give me 67.669 tokens. Okay, I am happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and hit swap. Okay, first of all, I have to enable my USDC and then swap. Okay, and each AiPad is worth at the moment 0.73. Let's go. Okay guys, so I have my AiPad token, so I'm gonna add those tokens to my MetaMask wallet. Okay, and let's see how much 50 USDC is worth in AiPads at the current price. Okay, so currently it's trading at 0.68, right? So and bear in mind guys, the project this token just went live at 8 o'clock, so it's 9:32. Okay, 92 minutes later. Okay, so people are trading this thing, right? So yeah, the price might change in the next few hours. Okay, it might go down, it might go up, who knows. Okay, but I'm playing for the long run. Okay, so I'm spending 50 bucks on this thing, and if it goes to, let's say, 10 bucks, right? So that will be more than a 10x. Okay, the action already list. Okay, so if you go over to my wallet, we should be able to see. So another thing that you have to take in consideration is the slippage. Okay, so I have to increase the slippage to 2%. Okay, so my 50 bucks is now worth 47 bucks. Okay, and yeah, the token is dipping a little bit, right? 64 cents, 65 cents, but you know, this just went live, so you know, anything can happen, right? So as you can see right here, lots of trades. So the trading market cap 130 mil, and the trading volume 1.3 mil, you know, in the last 24 hours, which is crazy. Okay, so in the last 6 hours, well, this thing just went live, so in the last 19 minutes, right? So 19 minutes, 1.3 million in volume. All right, that's a lot. But you know, this is a long-term play for me, guys, so I'm not really concerned about what's going to happen in the next few minutes. I'm playing for the long term, so hopefully in the next 6 months to a year, this coin, instead of being 0.65, will be like 10 bucks, and if it's 10 bucks, we can do, that's more than a 10x, right? So 50 bucks turns into 500 bucks. So yes, guys, I just wanted to give you an update about a new coin that I just purchased, AiPad, right? I've been waiting for this coin to be launched, so you can buy on Ethereum as well. Okay, it's on CoinGecko. You can find the real smart contracts. Okay, the contract address, so you can purchase the coin, and over here we can see the graph, all-time highs, etc. Okay, so trading volume 4.4 mil already. That's a lot. Okay, so all-time high 0.86, all-time low 0.66. Okay, this thing just went live. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.